There are serious threats, in fact. Hours after President Obama's departure from US, the Ministry of Home Affairs in Delhi issued an alert of a possible terror attack. In the alert to the Delhi police, the Ministry of Home Affairs has warned that terrorists might be planning a strike using paragliders. Reports say that terror groups are plotting to target the Republic Day parade. The security agencies have also alerted state governments, particularly Jammu and Kashmir, about the serious threat. Intelligence Bureau had earlier alerted that Pakistan might be assisting terrorist infiltration bids into India as 70 to 100 terrorists were spotted along the line of control. Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu is now joining us with more details. Kamal, the alert there has come from the Ministry of Home Affairs. In fact, just 2 weeks before President Barack Obama is to visit India, we were seeing a lot of infiltration bids as well. Is all of that interconnected, and how is that being read at the moment by MHA?
Well, multiple alerts have been coming in through the Max Center itself. The intelligence agencies have been working overtime. So yes, we have information that Lashkar-e-Taiba, Hizbul Mujahideen, JUD and ISI have joined hands to have a spectacular strike, and that is why the highest alert has been sounded in Delhi and throughout the country. And obviously, even at the international border, we've seen activities, infiltration attempts, desperate attempts by militant groups to infiltrate. This is obviously in connection with the Republic Day celebration. Pakistan has already been warned by the United States that if any attack is traced to Pakistan, it would not be good if in terms of the friendship between the United States and Pakistan. While there are seeds of friendship which are actually growing between India and United States, Pakistan obviously seems to be very envious of that particular relationship. We've already known that they banned JUD, Lashkar-e-Taiba, but the fact remains that these continue to be safe havens, as Obama had mentioned to the India Today magazine. But definitely in the times to come, there has been the highest of alert, and we know at least a 7-layer security has been put in place. That security will remain throughout the day. This is a matter of prestige for India. That is why United States Security Service agents, along with Indian intelligence agencies, Ministry of Home Affairs, the protocol, have worked a foolproof plan to secure the most important man in the world.
Kamal, you are standing outside Rajghat. What are the arrangements there, and what time does Barack Obama reach that spot?
Well, Barack Obama is expected around 12:30 here. He is expected to lay wreath on Mahatma Gandhi's foundation here. But definitely, if we try and actually show you, you won't see much of security. But there is foolproof security around here. Delhi police, the SPG, obviously, the cover has been almost foolproof out here. He's expected around 12:30. At around 1 o'clock, he will lay a sapling. This is obviously also a symbolic sapling between India and United States, a sapling which will grow into a plant and obviously signifies and is a symbolic way of saying this is the strength of India and United States, a growing friendship. But definitely, as far as security is concerned, at this point of time, not much of a traffic diversion happening here. But do believe me when I tell you that as far as security is concerned, they've been working round the clock. There's been security throughout the night. We do see a little bit of traffic going on in the Rajpath Road itself. But during Barack Obama's visit, there would be no traffic. There'll be a foolproof security, 50,000 boots on the ground, almost 7-layer security. So unprecedented security for Barack Obama, and obviously a foolproof function till the time he comes here and he leaves for Hyderabad House from here. There would be no particular movement. Only the audio-visual media is really allowed inside.